Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 20 plus 20 divide 20 plus 20. Okay, most people solve this question like 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Then divide 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Okay, now 40 divided by 40 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, both have equal priority. Okay. Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one addition, here is one division, and also here is one addition. So in this question, first priority is division. So 20 plus divide 20 by 20 is equal to 1 plus 20. Okay. Here is one addition and here is one addition. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 plus 20. Okay. So 21 plus 20 is equal to 41. So the correct answer is 41. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.